Who says new Liquid Tide cleans some of your toughest stains better than any other liquid? You do. And in nationwide tests, hundreds of you proved it. So did Judy Neese of Palos Verdes, California.
Liquid Tide is unbelievably clean, and my liquid is horrible. If I wouldn't have done it myself, I would never have believed it. The Liquid Tide got all of the stains out on both the grass and the blood. My detergent didn't do anything. I just love this Liquid Tide. I can't believe it.
You can say new Liquid Tide cleans better because you can see it cleans better. See for yourself.